One morning, I was washing my face and looked in the mirror, but something felt different. A small line had appeared near my eye. Did this wrinkle always exist? Once that line appeared, no matter how much makeup I applied or how much I tried to stretch my face, I couldn't stop noticing it. After that day, I started seeing every wrinkle. Between my brows, around my mouth, under my eyes. Especially those deep lines that appear after smiling. That's when I realized, this is aging. My skin was still soft, but the emotional traces left by time were becoming deeper. Surprisingly, it made me sad. I was still living like before, but my face was quietly growing older. Wrinkles aren't just a skin problem. They're like a map of emotions, showing how much I laughed, cried, and worried. But now, I don't just focus on erasing wrinkles. I learned that the most important thing for healthy skin is collagen. Since I started taking collagen regularly, my skin's elasticity has definitely improved, and my wrinkles look less pronounced. More than anything, my skin feels healthier and more hydrated. So remember this. No matter how good your skincare is, it's not complete without collagen. If you want your skin to stay healthy and elastic for a long time, I highly recommend making collagen a part of your routine.